Hi everyone, this is Victor. Geography 2007, Paper 1. Question 1. State two effects of rotation of the Earth. State two effects of the rotation of the Earth. State two effects of the rotation of the Earth. So, effects of rotation of the Earth. So, we have it causes day and night. It causes day and night. Then question 2, we have the diagram. Study the diagram below and answer the question that follows. So that is the diagram. Then you are told to which movement of the earth is represented by the diagram. Then question 2, you give two effects of the movement represented by the diagram. So the effects of that movement are creation of seasons, causes varying lengths of the day and night of the different year, causes varying lengths of day and night of the different year, causes changes in the altitude of the midday sun at different season, causes changes in the altitude of the midday sun at different seasons. Then the last one, causes lunar eclipse. Causes lunar eclipse. Causes lunar eclipse. Question 2. Name two types of the coastal deltas. 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 So the first one, you have Bird's Foot Delta. Bird's Foot Delta. Bird Foot Delta. You have Aquate Delta. You have Aquate Delta. Then you have Estuary. You have Estuary. E-S-T-U-A-R-Y. Estuary. You have estuary. Part B of question 2 was state two conditions that lead to the deposition of silt at the mouth of a river. State two conditions that lead to deposition of silt at the mouth of a river. State two conditions that lead to deposition of silt at the mouth of a river. You have loss of velocity, loss of velocity, loss of velocity, loss of velocity. Another one, we have freezing of the stream, freezing of the stream, freezing of the stream, freezing of the stream. The third one, we have slow moving bodies of water, slow moving bodies of water, slow moving bodies of water, slow moving bodies of water. Another one, we have decrease of stream volume, decrease of stream volume, decrease of stream volume, decrease of stream volume. Another one, we have overloading, 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 overloading. can also have reduction of stream gradient, reduction of stream gradient, reduction of stream gradient, reduction of stream gradient. Then the last one is present of barriers, present of barriers, present of barriers. In question 3, we had a diagram of Bachan. We had a diagram of Bachan. We had a diagram of Bachan. You are told to name the part marked X. The part marked X. The part marked X. So there are two. We have ons. So the part marked X is ons because there are two ons. Ons. The air current marked Y. The air current marked Y. The air current marked Y, which is eddy currents. Eddy currents. Eddy currents. The slope marked Z. The slope marked Z. The slope marked Z. It is steep concave leeward slope. Steep concave leeward slope. Steep concave leeward slope. Part B of the question was, give two ways in which wind transport its load. Give two ways in which wind transport its load. Ways in which wind transport its load. So we have suspension, saltation, and surface creep, Part 4, question 4, you are given a diagram. The diagram below represents the structure of the earth. Use it to answer the questions. So you can see the diagram. Question 4a, name the parts marked P and Q. Name the parts marked P and Q. So P is hydrosphere, and Q is core. P is hydrosphere, Q is core. They are told to the discontinuity marked R. What is the name of the discontinuity marked R? It is Gutenberg discontinuity. That is Gutenberg discontinuity. Part B of the question is, state three characteristics of the mantle. Characteristics of the mantle. The first one is, it has a light density. The second one is, it has very high temperature. Then the last one is, it is made up of liquid rock. rock. It is made up of liquid rocks. Question 5. Question 5. Question 5A. Name the two types of earth movement that occur within the earth crust. Name the two types of earth movement that occur within the earth crust. Types of earth movement that occur within the earth crust. So we have horizontal earth movement. We have horizontal earth movement. Then we have vertical earth movement. Vertical earth movement, also called epigenesis. Also called epigenesis. Part B of the question is, describe the origin of the continent according to the theory of continental drift. Describe the origin of the continents according to the theory of the continental drift. According to the theory of continental drift. So we say, there was one landmass called Pangea. There was one landmass called Pangea, surrounded by sea called Pantalasa. Surrounded by the sea called Pantalasa. Pantalasa. The northern hemisphere was surrounded. The northern hemisphere was called Laurasia. The northern hemisphere was called Laurasia, and the southern called Gondwana land. And the southern called Gondwana land. Due to crustal forces, which led to Pangea to break into the present 6 continents, drifting apart. Due to crustal forces led to Pangea to break into the present 6 continents, drifting apart. Thank you. Let's meet section B of 2007 KSCE paper 1.